Ano nangyari sa Amerika na nagkaroon siya ng case doon?
Well, yung story niya nun, nasa San Diego siya. Saka maraming mga fans. They were giving her, she was boarding their planes. Atika, ito, gift namin sa ito. Tapos dumaan siya ng sa
Customs, immigration.
Opo. Biglang nakita sa x-ray. Sino ba naman tanga magdadala ng ganyan para mahuli ka? Di ba? Yun, pag may gagawin ka, siguro lalagay mo sa bag mo, upaw na ang bag mo. So, one of those gifts was it was a setup talaga. Nilagay sa bag niya. At gift to, naka-box pa nga eh.
Oh my.
Naka-bow tie pa nga eh. The U.S. courts said that this person is a person of extraordinary ability. So she was already going to be given citizenship. They wanted her to be so they decided na we just dismiss the case. It never happened.
Okay. At na-prove din yun nung nagkaka-deliberation for national artist, di ba?
Opo.
Kaya naging national artist si Ate Kay, na-prove na hindi talaga totoo yun.
Hindi totoo yan. Hindi naman siya magiging national artist kung totoo yan.
Yes.